here is the unit. It's between two units. There's the end of the street right here. So Kurt, here we are, and we are looking around. There is a nice, I'm gonna walk back this way. I could go either way. Nice big living room. Sorry, it's a little bit dark in here, but it's large. Well, that's pretty. Nice decorating. I'm wearing a mask. Good sized kitchen. And then here is the backyard. You are looking back at another unit back that way, just to let you know. So I'm gonna go upstairs next. So we're upstairs now, and here are the bedrooms. There's this high ceiling bedroom with a bed of its own. And we're gonna walk to the other bedroom. Large. Okay. Good sized bedroom. That's it.